Welcome to the Care channel. We cover the crossroads of cybersecurity and crypto security. If you care about your privacy and want the strongest protection on your iPhone, lockdown mode is worth knowing about. It's designed to stop very advanced hacking attacks like spyware that can get on your phone without you even tapping anything. If you're an Android user and want this type of security, plus even more app control without the cons of the iPhone lockdown mode, then check out my Graphene OS review by clicking on the link in the top right. So why use the iPhone lockdown mode? Lockdown mode reduces the ways hackers can reach your iPhone. It blocks risky message attachments, limits certain websites, and stops unknown people from contacting you in ways that could be used to attack your iPhone. In short, it makes your iPhone much harder to hack. The benefits are simple: stronger security built right into your iPhone with no extra apps needed. Once it's on, it quietly protects you in the background, but there are some downsides. Some websites might not work properly, certain apps may feel limited, you might not receive some attachments, and new contacts can't reach you as easily. So your phone can feel a bit more restricted. If you're someone who could be targeted, like a business owner, public figure, or just very privacy focused, it's a great feature. For others, it might be more than you need. The good news is that it's easy to turn on and off when needed. Here's how to turn it on. Step 1, go to Settings. 2, tap Privacy and Security. 3, scroll down to Lockdown Mode. 4, tap Turn on Lockdown Mode and confirm. Your phone will restart with the feature enabled. Now you're all done, and it's the same process to turn it off. Lockdown Mode is all about one trade-off: a little less convenience for a lot more security. Thanks for watching. Stay safe and secure. Like and subscribe.
Please like and subscribe. It really helps the channel. Thanks for watching.